What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be playing with some new eyeshadow palettes that are coming out very soon, if not already, and they are the new Break Free collection from LA Girl. These palettes are so gorgeous. Wait until you guys see them. I'm going to be swatching them for you, especially like the shimmer shades, because I love LA Girl's shimmery shades. They are super pigmented. It's just like unreal, and they are super affordable, you guys. So these are the beautiful palettes. Look how amazing this packaging is. They're beautiful butterflies. Butterflies are very in season right now, so these were super appropriate and I just love it. And as well, you can see the shades are on the back. So let me go ahead and open them for you guys, because I'm pretty sure that's what you guys are here for. So here is the first one. This one is the BU palette. So gorgeous. Look at this. And I know everybody literally has all of these shades, but wait till you see these shimmers though. The swatches, you're gonna gag. Like literally, they're so beautiful, and you can never go wrong with a warm tone eyeshadow palette. Especially that this one really reminds me of the Urban Decay Honey palette. And the quality is just, as you guys can see, the quality is amazing. So this is the BU palette, and then this one, I really enjoyed this one as well. I already created a look with this one that's going to be on my Instagram very soon, if not already by the time this is up. And this is the This Is Me palette. Look how beautiful. And these are the shades for this one, and I love these shades. I love purple. I've been really enjoying purple lately, so this is beautiful. It has a lot of cool tone, some warm tone eyeshadows that are just, like I said, this is perfect for the fall season as well. These shimmer shades are so stunning, so I cannot wait to swatch some of these shades for you. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch some of my favorite shades from the BU palette, and these are all one swatches, you guys. Look at the pigment. These are so stunning, you guys. Look at that. And now I'm going to swatch some of my favorites from the This Is Me palette. Look at these shades. Oh my god, they're so gorgeous. So here we go. It's beautiful. This is definitely more of a topper shade, and it has like that blue green like flecks in it. Look at that purple. Oh my god. That pink is so pretty. This is more of a pinky purple, like lavender shade. How gorgeous are these? Let me go ahead and swatch a couple of more that they're just so pretty. I want to swatch them all. Look at the pigmentation, you guys. So these are two more. Oh my god. That is everything. So gorgeous. Look at that, you guys. I also really enjoyed the mattes in this palette. They are a little bit powdery, but as long as they're pigmented, that doesn't bother me. That's just my personal opinion and preference, because I know some people can be turned off by fallout, but honestly, it doesn't bug me, and if it doesn't bug you, then we good. So this video is once again sponsored by LA Girl, so thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. So this is the eyeshadow look that I created. I hope you guys like it, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this eye look, then just keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so this is the look that I created. It's very warm, very fall. I am ready for fall. So we are going to be using from the Break Free collection. Look how beautiful this packaging is. We are going to be using the BU palette, and look how beautiful this is. So the first transition shade I'm going to be using is Free, which is this like medium warm brown, and we're going to be putting this on the crease. So we're going for a more rounded look, so just keep it very focused on the outer part of the eye, as you guys can see, just to give you that rounded effect. We're not going to have it pulled out this time. Very slowly start blending it up closer to the brow bone, so we can have that more gradiated effect. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and kind of blend out those edges so there's no harshness. To give it more depth, we're going to go into the next transition shade, which is this one right here. It's called Escape, and it's like a red-based brown. And this one we're going to do the same thing, and this one we're going to put more towards the lid, just to create that depth. And I'm using the same brush for the first transition shade. As you can see, it's looking so pretty. So I'm just gonna start blending it very, very lightly. I'm gonna go holding my brush at the very end so we don't put too much pressure. Just kind of lightly bringing it up to the first transition shade just to have that gradient like I said. I'm going to go back a little bit more with the first transition shade. Now we are going to be going into this deep chocolatey brown, and this is called Strong. And I'm taking this more on a smaller, fluffier brush. That way we can have it more concentrated towards the lid. Back with the first brush that I had with a little bit of that dark brown and kind of bringing it closer to the other transition shades. That way we have a nice fade going. So we are done with the transition shades and it's looking really pretty. Honestly, you can even just wear it like this. If you wanted to put that whole dark chocolatey brown on the lid and have a brown smoky eye, you are good to go. But I'm extra, so we are going to be cutting the lid. So we got the cut crease going on. Now for the first shade, we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to go dark and light. So the first shade that I'm going to use is Life, which is this one right here. And it is like a very dark bronzy copper type of shade, and it has more of a red tone to it. It's so beautiful. So I'm going to put this on the front part of the cut crease. Look how beautiful and metallic that looks. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. I can literally just put this all over the lid and I'd be so happy. Alright, so now for the rest of the lid, we're going to go in with this one right here. This is Hashtag Queen, and it is a beautiful shade, of course. As you can see, this is a more bright golden shade, and this is a more antique gold shade. So we're going to go in with that and put it on the rest of the lid. So we're just going to pat this shade. As you can see, it does take a little bit of building up. I can see this even as a topper if you just wanted to go in very lightly with a golden sheen, nothing too crazy. I think that would look absolutely beautiful. But we're going to be making this part of the lid shade and making it as opaque as we can. As you guys can see, it definitely can. And when it is gorgeous. So I'm very lightly bringing it in with the first shade. You don't want to get rid of the first shade completely either. So we're just kind of like marrying the two together. Going back with the first lid shade, Life. I'm going to start meshing the two together. Now we're going to go back into Strong, this dark chocolatey brown, and put this on the end. And just tap it in place first just to get the most pigment, and then slightly start blending it with the gold transition shade. And kind of do it in an angle like you're doing like a smoked out wing kind of look. I've been really enjoying this lately. Just kind of give it that little slant. Alright guys, so this is the look that we have created so far. This is how the lid turned out. What do you guys think? I think it came out really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera, and then we will continue and finish the bottom lashes. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my face off camera. So for the lower lash line, for the waterline, I'm going to be using this LA Girls Neon Shockwave eyeliner. I don't know why this is in the neon collection if this is just straight up black, but it's still bomb, you guys. I love the LA Girl eyeliners. They are super pigmented, like they're amazing. And this is another one. I also love this one. This is called the Glide Eye Gel Pencil. I mean, they're both black. I guess you can say this one is more of like a, not shinier, but it has more of a glossy type of look, if that makes any sense. And this is a more of a matte look. But either way, they're both amazing. They last a very long time, transfer proof. I recommend them. So I'm going to go in with the neon one first. As you guys can see, super pigmented. Amazing. So I'm just going to go in for the lower lash line. I'm going to use the two shades down here. I'm going to use Strong and Escape. And so for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with the lid shade Hashtag Queen very lightly. So that completes this quick eye tutorial. You guys, what do you think? I really loved how it turned out. Like I said, it's very fall appropriate. I am so ready for fall. I'm over summer. Bring on the warm tone eyeshadow palettes. And I honestly think this is going to be an amazing addition to your fall coming eyeshadow palettes collection. These shades are absolutely beautiful, and like I said earlier, this is very resembled, in my opinion, to the Naked Honey palette, which can be very pricey. So this is literally half the price, if not even more, and it comes with a huge amazing mirror and a lot more product and so many more shades. So I think this is a beautiful palette. Once again, this is the BU palette, and then once again, this is the This Is Me palette, which is absolutely beautiful as well. I love these fall tones as well, these dark purples. They're definitely more on the cool tone side, which I really enjoyed. As you guys can see, I already dipped into this before, and I have a look that I created with it that will be posted on my Instagram very soon as well, and I loved how it turned out, so I hope you guys check it out. Follow me on there. I love both of these palettes, you guys. They are perfect transitional palettes to the fall season, and they're going to be retailing for $18. They are going to be in selected Ulta stores and of course on their website, lagirl.com. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys pick up these palettes. They are absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure exactly what day they are going to be released, but I will have all of that information listed down below for you guys, and if I have the links on time, I will also have them directly linked as well. So once again, thank you so much, LA Girl, for sponsoring this video. I loved how this look turned out. It turned out better than I envisioned. There's sometimes these looks that you just like have in your head and you're like, is this gonna even come out good? So I really loved how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. I will also leave all of my other social media links down below if you guys want to follow me on there. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. I don't have anything else to say except I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.